How to post photo collage on Instagram story. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, let's make a photo collage. Just click on your story on top. Alright, select multiple pictures, not one. Now click on next. And here select layout, not separate, layout. Now click on layout. Now, as you can see, now if you want to change the collage layout, just click on this grid option on top. And here on bottom, you can just slide it and change the photo collage like this. Now after that, just click on done. And after that, just click on this arrow, right arrow on bottom right corner, and just click on share. And your photo collage story will be posted. Now, if you want to make a different collage, just go on this app called Canva, or you can download this app from Play Store or App Store. After downloading the app, you will see this interface. Just click on search templates and here select collage. Search it, and here, as you can see, there are different type of collage. There are different type of templates. You can choose whatever you want. Now I'm going with this one. Alright, after opening a template, you will see this interface. Just go on bottom and slide to the right, click on uploads. And after that, just click on upload files and upload your desired photos. Now after that, just select the photos you want in the collage, as you can see, and drag it into the photos like this. Just touch it, and as you can see, I'm showing it just for example. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.